Do not eat that mushroom.
Nom 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 nom.
I told you you shouldn't have eaten that. Hey, you jerk! What have you done? Now, for the ruling of the world.
Help, heal, and heal us all!
Look at him, sleeping like a baby. I think I'll put him somewhere.
That's disgusting. That sounds like Starlo. I should get her out.
Thank you, Mario, for rescuing me. I did not like being stuck here.
You're in Bowser's body.
Oh, yeah. I remember getting held. I see Luigi. Let's get him out of here.
Mario! Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Cool! They're hammers! Let's take him with us in case we need them.
Mario, that lump inside his funny bone is really bothering me. I'm banging on it to make it go away. Mario, will you bang on the lump? I can't stand it anymore.
Okay. Here goes nothing. Whoa. Whoa. What's going on inside my body? Whoa! Stop! Stop!
Bowser?
I know that voice. Who are you? Where?
I am inside your body.
How did you get in there?
It's a long story.
No way. I'm not in the mood for long stories.
Remember what happened?
I was beaten by Mario. I was stranded in the woods.
He doesn't remember he inhaled us.
That's it.
Now, where are you?
Right. Where am I? Looks like some sort of cave. What are those spider webs doing here? I'm burning them down. Roar! Roar! You in there!
What is it?
I can tell you what it is. I can't shoot fire.
I'm not responsible.
You did something.
I didn't interfere with any of your systems.
Give me my flames back.
He can't right now. You'll just have to hunt without fire for a while.
Loiter much? Enough hovering.
Did you have a good sleep?
Hang on. I remember hearing your voice before. You just saved me by feeding me that mushroom.
Correct. For I have fed you the vacuum shroom. I am Lord Fawful. This mushroom is to make you inhale everything you see. It was I who stranded you into the cave.
Say what?
Yes, yes. I am achieving a goal. The Mushroom Kingdom will be mine! After I have given every toad the blorbs, made you eat the vacuum shroom, I'm still hungry.
Are you out of your mind?
I am not out of my mind. I am in the process of conquering the Mushroom Kingdom. I've gotten rid of everyone in Peach's castle. And then I will have your castle all to myself. It won't be Bowser's castle anymore. It will be Fawful's castle.
What was that about my castle?
Meanwhile, in Bowser's castle.
What are those UFOs doing over the castle? They're taking out the minions and kidnapping them. Us three need to get out of here and find Bowser immediately! Don't be ridiculous. There's nothing bad happening to my castle.
We'll see about that. I think you need some more sleep. Nippers!
You get back here! Ow. Nobody needs you any longer. You taste defeat. I won't taste anything. You taste my fist. I'm not hungry for your fish, thank you so much. I don't taste anything. That doesn't make any sense! It doesn't need to because making sense is for weak people. Peach's days of being ruler are over. Fawful's days of ruler are about to begin. You are not needed. So go to sleep. What is your problem? Nothing you say makes any sense. Now I'm angry. I punch things when I'm angry. I'm going to start with you. Ow. The mushroom made me feel funny. I knew it. You are weak. Build up your skills. Really? That Fawful guy is taking over and we're ending the video here? Whose castle will I head to? Peach's or my own? Vote in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Nintendo Puppets to find out what happens. It's free.